In this video, I'll guide you through how to profit off of the Steam Community Market. The Steam Community Market gives users the opportunity to sell eligible in-game items, such as trading cards, and earn Steam Wallet funds that can be used for future purchases. While there are no guarantees when it comes to item values, understanding how to list items and monitor the market can help you make better selling decisions. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic process of finding valuable items and listing them on the Steam Community Market. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll arrive at the main Steam page. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button, usually located near the top right corner of the window. Enter your Steam account credentials and sign in. Make sure you type your information carefully and keep your account details secure. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage, where you can access your profile, library, and inventory. Next, click on your profile name to open your profile page. From there, select Inventory. This is where Steam stores all of your eligible inventory items, including trading cards, skins, emoticons, backgrounds, and other collectible items that may be available for sale. Take some time to browse through your inventory and inspect the trading cards or other marketable items you own. Some items may have higher market value than others, depending on factors such as demand and availability. Looking through your inventory carefully helps you identify which items you may want to list for sale. When you've found an item you'd like to sell, click on it and choose the Sell option. Steam will ask you to enter a price in the Buyer Pays field. Before setting your price, it's helpful to compare the current market prices for similar listings so you can choose a competitive amount. Once you've entered your desired price, review the information carefully and then click the option to put the item up for sale. After your listing has been submitted, open the Community menu and select Market. Here you'll be able to view your active listings, monitor whether your items have sold, and keep an eye on current market activity. Watching your listings over time can help you better understand how prices change and how demand affects different items. That's all there is to it. You now know how to start selling eligible items on the Steam Community Market and monitor your listings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.